I mentioned that slowly these folks are being identified. Family members have identified so far 6 of the avalanche victims in a statement released by the families of Carrie Atkin, Liz Claybaugh, Danielle Keatley, Kate Morse, Carolina Sekar, Kate Vitt. This reads in part, quote, "Our focus right now is on supporting our children through this incredible tragedy and honoring the lives of these extraordinary women. They were all mothers, wives, and friends, all of whom connected through the love of the outdoors. They were passionate, skilled skiers who cherished time together in the mountains. They lived in the Bay Area, Idaho, and the Truckee-Tahoe region. We have many unanswered questions, but here is what we know at this time. 8 close friends planned a professionally guided 2-night backcountry hut trip to Frog Lake Huts outside of Truckee, California. The trip had been organized well in advance. They were experienced backcountry skiers who deeply respected the mountains. They were trained and prepared for backcountry travel and trusted their professional guides on this trip. They were fully equipped with avalanche safety equipment," end quote.